Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, gonna show you the beautiful place here in Porvoo.
So ayan guys, nasa entrance pa lang tayo mula sa parking area. Sa entrance pa lang panalong-panalo na dahil maraming magagandang mga punong kahoy dito sa daanan. At ang sobrang linis ng kapaligiran at malalanghap mo ang sariwang hangin na nagmumula sa kalikasan. Ang mga punong kahoy dito ay pantay-pantay at ang gaganda tingnan. So mula sa parking iyan, naglakad kami papunta dito sa seashore. Finally guys, nandito na tayo sa Varlac Sooden in Porvoo. Isa ito sa pinakasikat na magandang pasyalan dito sa Porvoo. Ang daming pumupunta dito during summer para mag-sunbathing and also mag-boating at kung ano-ano pa ang gusto nilang gawin. Last spring, nandito din kami kasama yung kapatid at pamangkin ng mister ko. Namasyal kami dito at talagang nagustuhan ko ang lugar na ito. Napaka-peaceful at ang gaganda ng mga tanawin, parang nakakawala na ang problema. Mag-e-enjoy ka talaga sa lugar na ito. There are so many beautiful, amazing, and natural rocks beside the seashore na talagang magandang pagmasdan.
So, ayan, ang daming tao today. So, doon may nagka-camping and nagsa-sunbathing. Yun, dala rin nila yung mga baby nila.
This is made for PWD,
Yeah.
so that they can come even with a wheelchair here.
Yeah.
There is one person there.
Yeah, that's great. Ang ganda dito. Summer is great here in Finland. And also may bench din dito guys. Pwede kayong umupo kung gusto nyong umupo or magpahinga konti pagkatapos ng mahabang pag-walking from the forest. Ang ganda. Nakakawala ng stress.
We could walk there to that other place, through the forest, and there is maybe better place.
Okay, let's go. So, ayan, we're just looking for the best place for us because si Mr. ayaw niya ng maraming tao. Yeah. And here we are now walking beside the seashore.
So if I want sunbathing, I don't want everybody to see my sexy body.
Wow! OMG. Okay. And now I can smell the nature.
And
Ang bango.
wind is blowing from the ocean or the sea, so we smell the salty seawater in the air.
Yeah. And the trees, you can smell the nature here also. We walk here a little bit.
Pinakamalinis ng kalikasan ng Finland.
Yeah. And then this is may nagka-camping doon. Or here. Walang tao. Good. So meaning that's our place. Our best place. Ang ganda dito guys. Sobra. And also, mayroon ditong cottage. And you can grill the sausage, hot dogs. If you getting hungry, and you can rest here. If you are tired. But my husband wants to sunbathing. And hindi ko na kailangan mag-sunbathing because maitim na ako. So, ayan guys, nag-ready na si Mr. ng kanyang place for sunbathing. Ayan, ang ganda dito. Ang daming mga malalaking bato sa gilid. And also there, may nakita kong may nagpipiknik din doon. Nagsa-sunbathing din sila. And other people love boating also. Ayun. This place is perfect for family bonding, outing, or with friends. This is a great place. And also, nagbaon kami ng aming lunch because takot kami magutom. So, ayan, our leftover macaroni.
Macaroni, pasta.
Yo.
Actually, mga itlog at saka yung panghimagas ay mga presas.
Yo. Ayan. Under the sun, OMG. I think this area, guys, is not good to swim because rocky and slippery, as you can see. Ayan, mga algae, ang daming algae. Maybe in another area, there is a area for swimming. We are not sure, but we are comfortable na where we are here because not so many people in this place. And also marami pa doon, guys, kung gusto nyong, if you want to walk there, that is still part of this Barlac Zoo then. Ayun, may mga nagbo-boating. Ayan. At kung malapit kayo sa Porvo at nagbabalak kayong mag-picnic or mag-sunbathing or mag-gala-gala kasama yung mga barkada, kaibigan, family, this place, I will recommend this place. Ang ganda, guys, napakatahimik and napaka-refreshing, nakakawala ng stress. Ang daming tao doon kanina, nagsa-sunbathing sila, nagbo-boating, pero mas pinili namin dito kasi ayaw ng mister ko ng maraming tao. So, ayan, guys, nagbabalak na kaming umuwi, bumalik doon sa Ascula. But before that, dadaan kaming Kahvila.
Kapihan nyo.
Yo, Kapihan, near here in Barlac Zoo din. So, ayan, guys, hindi na kami dumaan doon sa Kapihan. Nagpasya na kaming umuwi na lang. Diretso. So, ayan. Doon na kami magkakapi sa